What's going on, folks? I'm going to show you how you would be resetting your oil life on a Chevy Traverse. It's probably the same from about the 2009 all the way up to about the 2017. The first thing you're going to want to do is just come into your vehicle and turn your key forward. You don't have to actually start the engine. Just turn your key forward until you see the messages. You see right here where it says change engine oil soon. Next, what you want to do pretty much is come down to your panel. Yeah, once you come down to where your panel's at right here, you'll see on most vehicles, it'll be the third button that you want to press. You're going to want to press this button until you see oil life pop up onto your dashboard. See what I'm pressing? I'm going to take you back up here. You see I'm pressing it. It's showing me all the different settings. And then you'll see where it says 0% oil life remaining. Now, you shouldn't do this unless you actually got your oil changed on it. That way, you're not just resetting it with basically oil that needs to be changed. But once you see that part, now what you want to do is come back down here and you see the check mark. You're just going to want to push this check mark and hold it in. And when you hold that check mark in, it should reset your oil life remaining. So I'm gonna hold this down. I'm gonna let you look up here, and I'm gonna hold it down, and you should see it reset. So all I'm doing now is holding down that check mark. Just keep holding it for about 30 seconds to a minute. See it reset. Just like that. That's all you got to do pretty much to reset your oil life on a Chevy Traverse. And this is probably the same from about the 2009 all the way up to about the 2017. All right, folks, once again, this is how you would reset your oil life on a Chevy Traverse from about the 2009 up to about the 2017. All right, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.